All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Rumor has it that there is a Pixel 8a that's going to drop. And I'm curious about this because where is this device going to fit in with the mix here? So this is the Pixel 8, and we've already seen the rumors of the Pixel 9. And here's the Pixel 8 Pro, obviously, but the Pixel 8 is the more affordable version in the Google Pixel lineup. We know that they do this every year, and there's always hope that there's a next version. And obviously, someone leaked out the box, basically, of the Pixel 8a. Now, whether the Pixel 8a is actually going to release, it is a picture that came out in the obsidian color, pretty much. And it's looking pretty good. So it's pretty much going to look like this device, though, because it's going to have the glossy body and then the brushed aluminum camera bar. So this video just isn't about the Pixel 8 that's upcoming, or Pixel 8a that's upcoming. Google has also released a minty fresh color, which I think is pretty dope, pretty clean. It's a nice color. And I think a lot of people, who's going to buy that device? I think it's going to have to be a person who wants to collect, for one, and then also a person who needs a device, for two, and another person, if you already, have a device, you can probably sell your current device and get the new color if that's what you choose to do. Plenty of people do this, folks. You'd be amazed how many people do this. I used to do that a lot. But once you get to a certain point, you don't want to give up devices after you start paying a lot of money for them. So you start to collect them. So this device is coming out, this minty version. It's going to look really clean, and I can't wait to compare it for you next to these colors that I currently have. Now, these are ones that I bought here, but Google did send over Bay. Bay is like the top color for the Pixel 8 lineup. The Pixel 8 Pro, the Bay version. This is probably one of the top selling colors for them, because you also have the option to grab the Bay watch, no pun intended. You have an option to grab this watch and really complete your combination of the ecosystem from Google. So I did buy the tablet as well. So and I have Chromebooks. I have a lot of stuff from Google, man. But again, I always like to disclose that Google did send over this one right here. And I'm super happy. And I also sent over the watch too, because I use this every day. It's used predominantly for social media and recording on the channel, because a lot of content I've rotating between the S23 Ultra and the Pixel 8 Pro, because the Pixel 8 Pro is actually a phenomenal camera setup on here, and they've just done us justice by bringing this out. So with that being said, though, the Pixel 8a is a smaller variant, which will go in line. It's going to be, I guess, a step down, if you will, but they're using the Tensor chip. So it'll more than likely probably have the Tensor chip inside for the Pixel 8a. Sorry, FedEx was at the door. Pixel season, baby. It'll probably have the Tensor G3 inside. So is it really a step down? How are they tuning their devices to get them to be, considered like the more budget friendly? Like how are they actually doing it? So the Tensor chip that is coming inside the Pixel 8a is probably going to be their latest chip, man. I don't doubt it. I don't think they're going to scale back anything. I think they're going to just throw it all in, because why not? You get to pay less for it. I mean, they're not the only company that does this. Apple and Samsung have the same chips throughout their lineup, but sometimes Samsung, if they go to like a line, they won't have the current chip, but Apple does. So when I say Samsung, they're doing it in kind of like their regular lineup, all sizes of their device. But I think they should take notes because the Samsung A line, it's got to be one of the best lines, but the Pixel A line is the better A line of everything out right now. Samsung used to run the A line, but they kind of don't anymore. So, I'm hopeful that the Pixel 8a does release this year by maybe they'll release it at the same time as the Pixel 9 lineup, because it's kind of like what they do. They'll release the Pixel 8a first and then lead you into the Pixel 9 lineup. And the Pixel 9 lineup is going to be phenomenal, folks. This is going to be based on the leaks, or just based on having a smaller Pro version, It's going to be great. I know it is. So anyway, the Pixel 8a has leaked out. And what are you expecting from the Pixel 8a? Do you think that the Pixel 8a, when released, is going to have the same Tensor G3 chip? The reason I think it will is because Google will probably announce something new for the Pixel 9. That's just how it's going to go. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The Pixel 8a is about to drop in about 7 months, hopefully 6 months. Because I think last time it dropped about 2 to 3 months prior to the Pixel 8 lineup coming out. I think the 7a dropped about 2 months or 3 months before this, if I'm not mistaken. But nonetheless, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. The Pixel 8a, are you going to buy one? I buy the A lineup every year. And the nice thing about the Pixel 8a lineup is it's going to look exactly like this Pixel 8. Pretty much it's going to look exactly like this. It'll probably have some, probably an eclectic color for it, but it's going to be the rounded, the new design that they have. This is just going to be it. This is the new thing. So I'm hopeful that it does drop with some kind of eclectic color because it's going to have, they have to. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Are you interested in the A lineup for Google still? I think that's one of the best lineups you could possibly get if you are into saving money and still getting high-end features and high-end quality in a smartphone. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.